Hi everyone, my name is Adebia Adeyemi, a student of Bliss Analytics. So welcome to my travel insurance dashboard reports. Right, these are my three KPIs. We have the total net sales to be $2,537,496. We have the total commission to be $621,228. And the total product name to be 26. All right, this is my first chart here. This is the top 10 sales breakdown by cities. We have Singapore ranges to Indonesia. Singapore contribute the highest sales compared to that of Indonesia. All right, these are the top 10 cities. We still have other cities, all right? So, but from this 10, Singapore may be highest sales. Right, so the next thing I have here is five most popular products among age group. We have the adults, the elderly, the senior, and the young adults. All right, so we have the products, which is the rental vehicle excess insurance. We have the cancellation plan. We have the Bruce plan, the basic plan, and the two-way comprehensive plan. All right, all those products are mostly common among the adults, all right? They have the highest bar among all the age group. Right, the next chart I have here is commission to sales ratio by agencies. All right, we have the airline and the travel agency. Okay, so the airline has 183.84%. That is 1.83 to 1% of their sales. All right, so to every sales, there's a commission of 1.83%, which is really, really high. For travel agencies, they have 68.09, that's 0.68 to every 1% of their sales. So this is the um, commission to sales ratio for each agency. We can see that airline commission is very, very high compared to that of travel agency. Right, so what we have right here is the net sales and commission impact on distribution channel. We have two basic medium of distribution. We have the online and we have the offline. Most sales and commission comes from the online channel compared to that of an offline. The that of offline is actually really, really significant compared to that of online. So most sales come from the online sales. Right. So the relationship between net sales, claims, and duration. I have annual silver plan, the average duration and the total net sales and their claims are written here. The claim is 1,423 and the net sales is 311,425 and the average duration is in 376. Also unlike that, like that, we can really, really compare the three variables together. All right, so what I have next here is top five highest claims products across the agency. We have the airline and the travel agency. These are the claims. So we have more claims on cancellation plan. We have more in two-way comprehensive plan. And we also have more too in a rental vehicle as insurance. And all those three bars are from a travel agency, while the airline agencies have just low claims compared to that of travel agency. Okay, so I have total claims by gender. We have the male gender to be 33,677, and we have the female gender to be 29,622. This shows that there are more claims from the male gender than the female gender. Right. The last chart I have here is sales and commission breakdown by agency. We have the total net sales and the total commission. This is the total net sale for travel agency. They make a sum of $1,652,000 and the total commission to be $350,183 compared to airlines that made them $925,496 and $271,044. All right, so the last thing I have on my dashboard is my slicer, which makes the dashboard more interactive and gives more insight and overview of the dashboard. Okay, I am using agency type, so I'm clicking on airline. So the dashboard will literally show me anything that has to do with airline agency. All right, as you can see, everything is about airline agency, the commissions, the sales, and so on like that. So if I do click on a travel agency, I also have the same thing as we can see. All right. So the last thing here is my insight and insight and my recommendation. Basically, all the insights have been mentioned in the course of my analysis, and my recommendation is just basically for decision making right from this dashboard. Thanks for having me. Thanks for listening. Um, this brings us to the end of my analysis. Bye.